Hello and welcome to Euro-Yen Daily Trade Ideas and Analysis. The Monday's trading session is almost coming to a close, and we have some interesting possibilities and chances that the market has thrown us up. So the market has shown some significant downward move today, and with that, it again changes the possibility from what we spoke yesterday about the ABCD pattern, which could have formed over here. I'm not saying it cannot work still, but then it just makes it a little bit more difficult for that pattern to work now. What is more probable to work right now is the three-drive pattern that we had spoken about at the end of Friday's trading session. And the target for the three-drive pattern is to take out the lows of the previous lows, so which is right over here. And probably we might see the market moving further down to take out the lows over here. So that's one possibility, though we should still keep ourselves open to the possibility that the market might still go ahead and complete the target on the ABCD on the daily time frame, on the larger frame over here. And apart from that, we spoke about the elections in Germany and how it can affect our trading and what surprises it can throw. So now the situation is a little more critical over there, and the market has shown its reactions aptly. So though the CDU has gained majority in the elections, but they do not have the numbers to form the government of their own, which means that they might be forced to again work out a coalition with the Social Democrats, and that can be quite complex and might run into days or even a month or so. So the market has shown its displeasure with it, and it has aptly worked itself downwards now. So we should still keep ourselves open to the any kind of news that can come from Germany and might adversely affect the trading with the pair. So, but apart from these two technical information over here, we do not have anything else on the chart. The stochastic is still at buy, and the MACD is at is bullish. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame to see if we find anything over there. On the 4-hour time frame, I want to show you that the market has turned bearish on the MACD, and it is also sell on the stochastic. And you can see that the market has just crossed over the 25 by 5 moving average, and it is also well below the 3 by 3 moving average. So the market currently is at the somewhere around the 618 support. Let's just check that. I'm sorry. Yeah, the market has just touched the 618 support, and it is again looking to come back and test it. Now this could be an important moment for us, and maybe a little lower or something, since the euro yen likes to go a little further down from the 618 support. We might see the market coming down another 20 or 30 pips, and this opens up the possibility on the daily time frame, the ABCD pattern that I was talking about, that the market still has a chance to achieve it. And how that can be possible is another harmonic pattern that can possibly work over here. Now if this is the AB leg, and if you expect the market to just come back and test it and move a little bit lower, say around this area. Now if you try to draw an ABCD pattern to this, you can probably see that it might work out around 135.50, 135.70 area, and yeah, it's around 135.85 area if it bounces back from this level. And if it goes further down and shows another upward swing, maybe it might come down a little bit. But anyways, my point is this is also a possible technical aspect that we must keep ourselves open to, and this is a possibility that we must try to not discount. So this can still happen, this can still work, and if this does, then it would go ahead and even complete the ABCD pattern on the daily time frame that we spoke about. So be cautious and be open to any kind of possibilities. But another thing is, if the market fails at the 618 support and continues to go further down, then the chances of the three-type pattern working on the daily time frame becomes more highly probable, and yeah, that would be a better aspect to look into. And also we should notice that the market has continued below the weekly pivot point. The weekly pivot point was around 133.60 area, and the market has tested it and continued to go down, further down. And the next support, weekly pivot support, is at around 132.10, 132.15 area, so which is also close to the target of the three-type pattern. So that's another possibility that we could look at as a scalp trading possibility in case the market fails over here. But if the market bounces back from here, we should show some, I think we should wait for it to cross over from the weekly pivot point and look for some signals from the smaller time frames, maybe 30 minutes chart or the 15 minutes chart, to look for some signals, or so look for some patterns before we could enter long. And that might be again a good opportunity for about 150 to 200 pips of upward movement if it bounces from here. And on the hourly time frame, I have nothing too different over here, and except that you can see that the market has tested the 618 support of the upward swing, and the stochastic is right in between. It's neither a buy or sell. But if you look at this closely, the MACD closely, it is trying to shift to bullish, and that might be the first indication for us that the market may begin the swing up that we spoke about on the 4-hour time frame. So different possibilities and different opportunities coming up ahead on this pair, and the market is throwing us a lot of options over here. So we should just be a little cautious, and if you're entering short, again, I would ask you to wait until this point is tested and then see if the market takes out this low and then continues to move further down, and then look for some minor retracement on the small time frames, either on the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes chart, before going short to take profits below the lows of the previous lows of the three-type pattern that I showed on the daily time frame. And if you're bullish on the market, wait for the market to bounce up from the 618 support and retest the weekly pivot point from the bottom, and then cross over, and then look for some patterns on the lower time frames before going ahead and taking a long position and take profits around 135.60, 135.70 area, which is also the ABCD target on the daily time frame. So we have opportunities on both sides, and depending upon your inclination and the style of trading, you could look for some opportunities over here. And I hope this was helpful, and wishing you all a happy trading moments ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.